Greetings from the Iowa State Capitol. I'm Governor Kim Reynolds, and I appreciate the invitation to this virtual legislative summit. While I certainly wish we could be together in Lincoln, I'm grateful for this chance to exchange ideas across state lines. You know, although Iowa and Nebraska are competitors on everything from football to our business climate, we also have an awful lot in common. Agriculture, renewable energy, and manufacturing are the backbones of our economies. And prior to COVID-19, Iowa had a robust economy, one of the lowest unemployment rates in the country. In fact, we had jobs looking for people in every single corner of our state. And right now, everything we're doing is focused on rebuilding that economy with policies that support job creators and innovators, grow wages for Iowans, and expand opportunities. One of the biggest barriers to economic growth continues to be a skilled workforce. In Iowa, we've rolled up our sleeves to meet that growing need. We ramped up STEM education in schools, and we made it easier for businesses to collaborate with students through work-based learning. At our community colleges, we increased the focus on technical trade skills, aligning curriculum with the needs of businesses. We focused on registered apprenticeships and created our new Last Dollar Scholarship to connect Iowans with rewarding careers in high-demand fields. But still, consistently, one of the biggest hurdles in addressing the skills gap was a burdensome and costly licensing system that denied opportunity to those who needed it. Licensing reform has been a top priority of mine, and here's why. 1/4 of Iowans previously must have a professional license to do their job, and that's the second highest in the country, and it's unacceptable. More than just a persistent challenge for professionals from electricians to nurses, our licensing system has resulted in an estimated loss of 48,000 jobs and I think about $290 million. As governors all across this state will tell you, we are in a national competition to attract America's skilled workforce, and the occupational licensing reform package was crucial to give Iowa a competitive edge. I believe that opportunity lives in Iowa and in the Midwest, and these reforms send a strong message that Iowa is open for business and we welcome you to our state. So on June 25th, 2020, I signed House File 2627 establishing universal licensing recognition in Iowa, and it creates an additional pathway to licensure in our state. It will allow Iowa's licensing board to grant an Iowa professional license to those with an out-of-state license if they meet the following requirements. So they have to be licensed in their profession for at least 1 year, have similar scope of practice in Iowa, and of course they're in good standing in all states where they're licensed. The bill waives license fees for low-income Iowans seeking licensure for the first time in their chosen profession. And it also implements a universal standard for licensing boards as they review criminal histories of applicants so all Iowans can have a second chance at a great career. One aspect that's unique to Iowa, the bill allows for 3 years of work experience to substitute for any education or training requirement here in our state. And I'm proud to say that I think we were the first state to adopt such a provision. The legislation was a meaningful step forward in reforming professional licensing in our state. It's really allowing us to attract new talent and deliver second chances to Iowans seeking to better their lives. But we still have more work to do, so in my Condition of the State address, I called for a complete review of Iowa's licensing regulations to identify and eliminate licensing requirements that are outdated, redundant, or really have no impact to public health or safety. I want to thank the Platt Institute for putting this workshop together. This has been an opportunity to collaborate, innovate, and share ideas about our path forward in this new remote economy. So thank you for the opportunity to share Iowa's story, and I look forward to our continued partnership as we open new doors, build new bridges, and unleash the innovative spirit that exists within all corners of our nation.